So September Cook-Off problem 1, bowling strategy. In a cricket game, an over is a set of 6 valid deliveries. So they have told us what is an over. Okay. Consider a cricket game with a series of n overs from 1 to n played by k players from 1 to k. Each player may bowl for at most L overs, but same player may not bowl for more than 2 consecutive overs. Assign exactly one bowler to each over in such a way that these rules are satisfied, or determine there is no such assignment. So input is NKL and NK and L. Output can be -1 if there is no such arrangement. Otherwise, we need to print for every I from 1 to n which bowler is going to bowl that over. So this kind of like reminds us about our childhood also. Like we used to do this while playing cricket. Actually, I remember those days. But anyway, let us solve the problem now. So how to solve this problem? First of all, when will this assignment not happen? This assignment will not happen when k into L is less than n. If k into L is less than n, this assignment will not happen. Consider an example, n is equal to 3 and k is equal to 2. So there are only two bowlers, 1 and 2. Okay, the numbering is 1 and 2. So let me say the first over is bowled by player 1. Second over is bowled by player 2. Third over, it can be bowled by player 1 or 2. If I put 1 here, then this becomes a valid scenario. But then what if I tell L is equal to 1? If I say L is equal to 1, then I cannot make 1 bowl again, because 1 can bowl only one number of times. Player 1 can bowl only at most one number of times. So this arrangement will not be valid. But if I put 2 over here, again it is not valid for two reasons. First reason, 2 can only bowl at most L overs, and 2, that is consecutive bowlers is not allowed. That's what the question says, right? Consecutive bowlers are not allowed. And every bowler can bowl at most L overs. So basically, this is the condition: K into L less than N minus 1. But there is one more small test case when K is equal to 1 and N is not equal to 1. That time also we print -1. So I think people would have gone wrong. They would not consider this test case. This also you should consider. So when will the assignment not happen? This is when assignment is not possible. This is when assignment is not possible. Okay, this if condition. When k into L is less than n, or k equal to 1 and n not equal to 1. So this is the test case. Maybe people would have gone wrong. Excuse me. So this is when it will not happen. Otherwise, when will it happen? Whenever it will happen, how am I going to print it? I am just going to print everything like 1, 2, like that, so on till k. How will I be printing? I will just keep printing like this. 1, 2, 3, k. Again 1, 2, 3 until n equals to 0. I'll keep decrementing n value until n becomes 0. I will do this. That is what I'm doing over here. I'll keep decrementing n. I will keep printing I. I always runs from 1 to n. This is under a while loop. This while loop will run only until n is not 0. If n becomes 0, it will break out. That's all. So this was the problem. One basic condition people would have forgotten is this, most probably. So that was the solution to this problem. Please share my video with your friends who have solved it or who did not solve it or who are finding for answers. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.